Hey guys, so it is Tuesday, March 10th, and we're actually going out of town for a few days. And of course, the store is out of toilet paper and hand sanitizer. So I thought I would share this DIY with you guys. I'm making a hand sanitizing gel for me and my family. You can tweak this. You can add a hand carrier cream to make it last a little longer or to make it even more moisturizing. This is just a basic hand sanitizing gel. It dries really quickly and sanitizes your hands, and it's only two ingredients that most households have year round. But I thought some of you might find yourselves in the same circumstances, and you could use this as a substitute until more becomes available. So I actually bleached and sterilized my table. I've sanitized my little blue tub, my wood stick, and my measuring spoons. That's something you need to think about before you get started. I'm mixing mine in this blue tub, but I'm not going to leave it in here. Once I bought these little squeeze bottles from Amazon for like 10, 16 cents a piece. I'm sterilizing them at the moment, and once they're done, I will transfer my gel into the squeeze bottles and keep them there. In your hand sanitizing gel, you're looking for 90% alcohol in the gel. I'm using aloe vera 100% gel. This is pure, no color added. It's great for moisturizing dry skin, irritated skin, for sunburns and things like that. And so it's a great carrier gel for the alcohol. And I'm using 91% alcohol. I'm using a ratio of 60-40. But if it seems as though it's a little bit too watery or a little too runny, just to give it a moment. Once you stir and mix and it sits for just a minute or two, it thickens up very nicely and it comes the perfect consistency of the hand gel sanitizer you find in stores. So yeah, that's it. Very easy. Two ingredients to hand sanitizing gel of your own, and you know that the alcohol is in there. Like I said, 60-40, or you could do 4 aloe vera, 3 alcohol, depending on how you're measuring, whatever's easiest for you. It's very easy, very simple recipe, especially during this time. You guys stay safe. I hope you found this helpful. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.